Hello student, we are going to start a new topic in mathematics for 7th and 8th because this chapter is in both classes, for class 7 and for class 8, that is exponent. First of all, you have to know what is exponent. When you multiply any number by itself and many times, when we multiply any number by itself in many times, so we feel inconvenient to write in large form. So we need to write a number that is multiplied by itself many times in short form. So the method of writing any number repeated by itself in multiplication form, we need to write in short form. When we write in short form, that is called this chapter, that comes in under this chapter exponent. Here you will see notation for repeated multiplication. Repeated multiplication and you have to repeat. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कोई एक ही नंबर जब बार बार उसको मल्टीप्लाई फॉर्म में एक ही नंबर को बार बार उसी नंबर से बार बार अगेन एंड अगेन मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो काफी लंबी सीरीज हो जाती है। लंबा होने के बाद उसको असुविधा होती है, क्या होती है? इनकन्वीनियंट इन दिस, so far to remove the inconvenience, so we need exponent form. We need to write exponent form. Here many times a number has to be repeated by itself. Repeatedly, many times a number has to be repeated itself. कोई एक नंबर है कई बार अगर वो रिपीट हो रही है मल्टीप्लिकेशन फॉर्म में, a repeated multiplication is often inconvenient. It is not suitable. It is not good to write a number in multiplication form by itself. So it is not good. So we express it in the exponent form. So the number that is multiplied by itself many times repeated. So to remove this inconvenience, we need exponent. We write in exponential form. Exponential notation is a short form of writing repeated multiplication of number by itself. Exponential notation is a short form of writing repeated multiplication of a number by itself. When any number is repeated by itself again and again, repeated. When any number is repeated in the form of multiplication, so the short form to write this repeated multiplication is called exponent notation. Exponential notation. For example, जैसे हम देखते हैं कि किसी नंबर को बार बार उसी नंबर में मल्टीप्लाई करके लिखने से असुविधा होती है, इसलिए उसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिख देना। शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिख देना ही उस नंबर को कहते हैं एक्सपोनेंशियल। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल हियर वी राइट 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times. How many times are repeated? 5 times. So it is not good to write 2 many times. Here what is the number of 2? 1 2 3 4 5. So when we multiply any number by itself, then to write the exponential form, we write 2 1 time. अगर कोई नंबर बार बार रिपीट किया गया हो तो उसको पहले एक को उठा के रख देते हैं और वो कितनी टाइम्स है वो ऊपर दो के हेड के ऊपर रख देते हैं 5 1 2 3 4 5, क्योंकि वो किसी भी नंबर को the power of any number is 1. For example, if a, then you can write a like this, a raised power 1, because a is 1 क्योंकि a अकेला है तो रेज पावर 1 क्योंकि a कैन नॉट बी रिपीटेड. So any number can be written like this 2 1 1 1 1 1. When we multiply any number by itself, in those conditions, the power, this is called power and this is called base. So power is added in multiplication. So we can write this 2 5 times 2 raised to power 5. 2 raised to power 5. We read. How can we read 2 and power 4? We 2 raised to power we read it 2 raised to the power 5. Suppose that a and we read it a raised to the power n. Here a is base. A is base. And n is exponent. Exponent, you can say n is exponent or power. This is base and this is exponent. So this is the short notation. This is exponential notation. When we write in short form of repeated multiplication, that short form is called exponential notation. We read it 2 raised to power 5. Here in 2 raised to power 2 is base. Here this is 2 is base. Here 2 raised to power 5. What is 2? 2 is base. And 5 is exponent. So in this way we learn how to read this 2 raised to power 5. For example, a raised to the power n, a 2 raised to the power 5. This is 2 is base and 5 is exponent. Here 2 is base and 5 is exponent. In general form we can write a into a into a into a dash into a. How many times? N times. Here 2 was 5 times, so we write it 2 raised to power 5. यहाँ 2 5 times है तो 2 raised to power 5. In this way a, how many times a is multiplied? N times. N is 5 times raised to power 5, n times raised to power n. So a is multiplied by n times, so we can write a raised to power n. A raised to power n. Similarly, the product of a rational number multiplied several times. In this is the multiplication of a number, and rational number also can be written in exponential form. For example, 4 by 5, 4 by 5 and 4 by 5. This is repeated 3 times. So we write 4 by 5 one times and 1 2 3 raised to power 3, where 4 by 5 is base and 3 is the exponent. So I think all of you have understood how to express any number when it is multiplied by itself and it is repeated many times. So in short we write in short form. So it is called exponential notation, and the power is we read that number, for example 2 5 times 2 raised to power 5. This is the method how to write the exponential form of any number that is multiplied itself by repeated multiplication. So I think all of you have understood. Here we have to know, we have to solve some questions, examples. Evaluate 2 by 3. So find the value of 2 by 3 raised power 4. So this is exponential form and we have to find the what is the value of this. So open this 2 by 3 is repeated 4 times in multiplication form. So we write it 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 4 times. 2 by 3 is repeated. 2 by 3 जो है 4 टाइम्स उसको मल्टीप्लाई किया गया है 2 by 3 से ही, तो 3 टाइम्स. अब इसमें हम we have to multiply numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. For example, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 2 जा 4 2 जा 8 2 जा 16. 2 2 जा 4 2 जा 8 2 जा 16 and denominator 3 3 जा 9 3 जा 27 27 3 जा 81. This is answer. It can be expressed in the form of 2 by 3 raised to power 4 and it can be expressed in the product form is 16 by 81. So an important result. An important result. When minus 1 raised power minus 1 raised power n is equal to what is the value of this? This is positive or negative. When you can read it minus 1 raised to the power n. First of all, here we have to find the sign. What will be the sign after opening this? This is the short form, this is in exponential form. And what is the value of it? Negative or positive? So, if minus 1, the value of this will be minus 1. The value of this will be minus 1 or plus 1. When the value of this will be plus 1 and minus 1. When will be the value of this will be minus 1 and when will be the value of this will be plus 1 or 1. Because both one either write plus 1 or 1. Both are possible. Either the value of this because base is 1. When base is 1, power may be anything. But the value of that number will be either minus 1 or plus 1. When the value of this will be minus 1. In which condition? If n is an odd positive integer. If n is an odd the value of this will be -1 when the number n will be n is an odd positive integer. वैल्यू n की क्या होनी चाहिए? odd होनी चाहिए. 3 1 3 5 7 9 11. If I will show it, if the value of n is odd, then in those conditions the value of this will be -1 and the value of this will be 1 if n is an even positive integer. Take the value of odd and even. Let -1 raised power n take the value of odd. First, the value of n is odd. Odd 1 2 1 1 3 5 7. Take 3 3 or 5. You can write -1 raised power 5. Open this. -1 into -1 into -1 into -1 into -1. 1 2 3 4 5. Open it. All of you know that if in multiplication number of negative sign is odd, then the sign of product will be negative. यदि मल्टीप्लिकेशन में निगेटिव साइन अगर ऑड है तो उसका जो प्रोडक्ट होगा वो निगेटिव होगा. यहाँ देखिए 1 2 3 4 5 5 is odd, so multiplication will be negative -1. When second, the value of n is even here are 5, here is 6. -1 raised power 6. We can write -1 into -1 into -1 into -1 into -1 into -1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 is equal to 1. When the number of negative sign in multiplication is even, जब मल्टीप्लिकेशन में नेगेटिव साइन की जो संख्या है वो इवन होती है, तो इन दोस कंडीशन द साइन ऑफ प्रोडक्ट विल बी पॉजिटिव. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 is given, so product will be +1. So here it proves that if a raised power -1 raised power n, if will be -1 if n is an odd positive integer, and it will the value of this will be 1 if n is an even positive integer. So I think all of you have understood this fact, and you have to learn this fact because it will help you to solve many questions from your exercise books. So thanks for today, and we see in next video.